One of the most common problems that our customers encounter is when their garage door sensors are misaligned. Garage door sensors are great for protecting your cars or your kids or your pets, but they're also easily bumped, kicked, or blocked. And when that happens, it's going to cause your garage door opener problems, and it's going to make it so that it won't go down. Let me show you what we need to do to make sure that doesn't happen.
You can see here that the sensor's misaligned because the light on it should be solid red, and there's no light at all. The other side is supposed to be solid green, but it's flashing. When the sensors are misaligned, your door is not going to move down. This is what will happen. The easiest way to fix this is to go over to your sensor and move it until the red light becomes solid and doesn't flicker. You'll then notice on this side that the light is solid green also and isn't flashing and isn't flickering. Once you make that adjustment and both sensor lights are solid, the door will operate properly and go down.
With the sensors aligned, your door will now go down without any issues. If you have any problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.